what's the plan for today?
Get the feet put on the rack and hopefully get it up on the top mounted and start putting these boards on. We'll have to finish the ends of these boards and around all the little cuts that we did. I think we accomplished that. We're doing pretty good. Might take a little spin on the CT90 this morning. I'm thinking.
Get out there and get some sightseeing in.
Yeah. Just for about 15 or 20 minutes. Go right around the neighborhood.
As you should.
Check things out.
Maybe while you're gone, I can get the stain back out and get these ends all taken care of.
Okay.
The way.
Number 2.
So making good progress up here. Deck is very close to done. So what we have to do now is lift up one side, put down some Sikoflex just to seal the bottom. Then later on I'm going to go over top with the silicone to seal it as well, just to make sure we're not having any leaking issues. It's looking good.
Get there.
All right, Wes, what do we got going on here, bud?
We're getting ready to put the solar panel mounts up top, basically 1-inch square tubing, and we got 4 panels at 58 inches each, so that's 232 inches. Yeah, right here. 19 foot 4 inches. So we got some 20 footers, so we'll trim all those down, get them up on the roof, clamped in place, and run some bolts through them, hold them in place, and then start setting panels and drilling holes.
Yeah, so we actually got a little lucky because I thought I screwed up. Thought I was supposed to get 24s, but there's 20s in there.
Yep.
And it just happened to work out.
It's working out fine.
So the deck, you can see the umbrella up there. It's looking good right now. It's in and the deck is down. It's nice and firm up there.
And we can drive with it as long as it's folded up or aiming forward.
Yeah.
We'll be able to drive with it up there.
Yeah, because we measured that from the sides, and that's actually 13.5, so we're clearing everything by an inch.
Yeah, I mean, about right there is probably the top of the umbrella. And hang on. There's 13.6. So eyeball the umbrella up there. This looks about right. Oh, hang on. Come on, tape measure. Cooperate. Oh, this darn wind. But anyway, yeah, it's about right?
I think
like
so.
Yeah.
It's a good thing we got the one that angles to the wind.